Alright guys, so Dixie's still bullish here. It's going exactly to my zone that I called out. I believe that this thing is going to move to the upside. It's an order flow. But this thing is going to move to the upside for sure. This thing here is a sell. We're going to sell SPX today. On external structure, I call the sell here to the downside, the next selling zone for SPX. Actually, hold on. Yeah. This is an art form, guys. I feel like I'm drawing art right now. Literally. My idea on SPX. I'm gonna send my Dixie idea as well. So Dixie continues bullish, meaning more bearish movement on all indice markets. Okay, let's look at Russell here. Russell hit my TP here last time, so it's completely fine. He sold off, went to this side here. Let's look at what's happening now. This thing's already invalidated from the last previous sell, so. This shit broke structure. I don't want to go against the trend here. Let's do this. Just so people are aware this already happened. Okay. Yeah, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna sell here. This is what I'm gonna do. I don't like that this thing broke structure here, but this thing is more bearish here. Only reason why I want to sell again. We're gonna extend to the downside. Only reason why is because of Dixie. Dixie's gonna probably, like, this is my thoughts here. Dixie's gonna continue to go downward, okay? But it's gonna be a slow moving downward, like, movement. Then Dixie will pop. Dixie will either come back down to this zone. There's two zones. Either this zone here or the external structure zone of this zone.
But then after that, we're gonna look at a bullish Dixie here.
Okay. Give me a second, guys. Setting up some pending orders right now. That's my thoughts on Russell here. The session's about to open up right now, so gold looks like it did a nice solid pullback here. It's gonna fill. Wow. 10-year yields. Bonds are going up. I wasn't expecting that. Bond yields are bearish. That means bonds are going up. That means risk on assets are going to get hit if this thing continues on a downtrend. Wow, I was not expecting that. I thought this break of structure here would break past this zone here, but it basically means that we're bearish on some markets. I made a quick $2,000 with gold yesterday. I want to buy more gold. The thing is I'm a little hesitant. I'm a little hesitant. Only reason why is because we broke the Asian range downward.
But we are bullish.
This thing could give me the idea of being somewhat... I mean, we bought here. I bought here yesterday. Wasn't that difficult. I got stopped out from this trade too. Oh, so annoying. This is what I'm looking for with gold. Let's look at gold here. Wow, this is annoying. Gold is bearish somewhat, so it's going to come back down. I just don't know where. I believe price could come here. Give it a nice solid retracement with a wick on it. And there is a possibility that price comes here. But it's actually looking more bearish than bullish here. So I already took some profits for gold just to secure something. And I wanted to actually potentially sell it here. I mean, we can wait till 10 a.m. I wanted to sell it just potentially short term to here, then look for more buys. I only want to scalp sells with gold. That's it. Nothing more. Yeah, I'd scalp this downward, guys, and then I'm looking for buys on gold here. Okay, that's what I'm doing. This thing is going to go into order flow. So bullish movement to the downside. Hopefully we could see some pullbacks here, but I'm looking for buys here. Even if I do scalp it, I'll scalp it a little bit in the short term. for some sells if I feel like it, but I'm looking for buys with gold, guys. Any pullback I can get, I'm looking for buys. Seasonality still stays the same. It doesn't matter. The seasonality looks good for gold. I think inflows and options are good for gold. Let's look at inflows and options. Not even that. Let's look at the open interest here. And then let's also look at ETFs here. We could look at ETFs or gold. So ETF inflows here. Let's look at if they're rising or if they're falling. Still pretty bullish here for November. It's okay. We should see some bearish movement in December here with some expirations, but I still look at it, you know, us mitigating that zone here. Bitcoin ETFs are at absolute lows. This thing is getting hit completely. Wow. I mean, right now would be a good time to buy some Bitcoin. Let me show you. Wow. A lot of sell-offs. BlackRock selling a lot. All right. This thing looks like it's turning around. You see gold ETFs? Looks like it's reaccumulating. Might make one more low here, but guess who's buying a lot? BlackRock. So is Asia. Wow. I'm looking for buys here and here for gold. Okay. I got in here yesterday. Took some profits. Now I'm just waiting for that pullback to get into some more nasty buys here, which is solid. Okay. So that's my gold markup here. Still in massive profit here. Wow, GU's finally moving. I wonder what kind of news event happened here. Let me take a look. Wow, we finally got PPI today. Worse than expected. Made the dollar go up. Month over month, worse than as expected. This is bullish for Dixie. That's why I'm bearish on assets. I could imagine what this means here. There has to do something with rate cuts. For sure. Gonna start to see slowdown and some expirations here soon, so wow. This thing didn't create a lower low. This might be a turnaround here for GU. I'm gonna leave GU alone. I don't like trading GU, to be brutally honest. USD CAD's finally getting to that area. USD CAD pissed me off. I was in so many buys, like here. I got stopped. Here. Got stopped here. Rally. You see that swipe of liquidity too. This here, I'm looking for a pullback here. The only way I'm going to look for a pullback here is if I see a close above this zone. If we see a close here, we're going to look for a solid pullback here and then an extension to the upside. Because Dixie's bullish, so USD CAD is going to be bullish. It's very simple.
Let's look at the other.
Unfortunately, told what the difference is. You have to see it for yourself.
Let's look at the rest here. Bitcoin and crypto looks I don't even want to say the word. It doesn't look good at all though. Looks really bad right now. I'm about to give you guys an idea here with what I'm looking at with crypto. Crypto's about to create a lower low for sure. I did respect that structure though. We're looking for more sells on Bitcoin. Target 75K. BTC's target is $75,000. If we break 76K, it's done. This thing is fully. If we close, this thing's fully going back to 50K, maybe even 40K, and the whole thing's done. The liquidity will dry up. This thing right now is mitigating around this zone here. That means it's so bearish. If it starts mitigating there, there's going to be some type of black swan. And with SPX looking to create its new lower low, Bitcoin is like, oh my God, this thing is so, how could I say it? It's destined to go to 75 with SPX running on a bear market. If SPX turns around, then we could start looking for buys, but this is a fallen knife, guys. This is the easiest short that you guys can get into. Solana as well, back to, what do you call it, 107. Looks good. AVAX at this price is crazy. Jupiter at this price is insane. Wow. Trump coin. MSRT. MSRT is coming back to 120. Coming back to August 2024 levels. Dude, MSRT is down. Michael Saylor is probably freaking out right now. 62%. Wow. I didn't expect NVIDIA to break this structure point. This is crazy. Wow, I did not expect that. I know Michael Berry has a couple shorts here on NVIDIA. I did not expect NVIDIA to break external structure here. That's odd. I mean, it's gonna fill, but to break and close below here on the daily is interesting. I did not expect that. I mean, NVIDIA looks like a good buy up until if this thing here, if we get it close below this zone, we're done. This thing is going low, and we're going to see a huge crash with crypto and everything. NVIDIA is holding up the whole U.S. economy right now. Let's look at Coinbase. Wow, Coinbase sell zone. It's in that buy zone, but Coinbase I think just broke that buy zone. Yeah, it did. Coinbase is going lower. Coinbase is coming here. Coinbase is going to sell off. Alright guys, give you guys some ideas here. SPX is a sell. Easy sell. 10 a.m. Wait for 10 a.m. if you guys want. Obviously, gold is a sell. Easiest sell I've ever called out. And obviously, that's basically it. Those are the two trades I really gave out today. USD CAD, still looking for buys, and everything's moving in our direction. So, appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Bitcoin to sell. And I will talk to y'all soon. Have a good one, guys. Peace.